Hi guys, I want to start a project to create a Python app to fastly create a module, a Google module to make a test very quickly. So I want to use ChatGPT to see if I can do it very quickly. So first of all, let's see. So I want to start this kind of tutorials about this, but let's go right into it. I want to ask ChatGPT to create for me a Tkinter user interface to do this thing that I said to you. Create a model in the fastest way as possible. This will be all unedited, so you will see a lot of etc. Period, and I will think about it. And so if you don't want to see these kind of things, go to see another video tutorial. So let's ask ChatGPT. I don't want to use a GPT just for, let me see, for Python. Let me use just ChatGPT straight ahead, and let's give it the right instruction. I want to make an app with Python. Be ready to help me write on the code. I called it app. Don't know if he likes this. Yes, what is the purpose of the app, etc, 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 etc. Okay, baby, flash mobile app. I said app, so he understood that I want it for the desktop, and maybe it could be useful. I could even think to make it with Pickbag, maybe. Okay. Okay, let's ask him. We could use Pygame to make the interface too, but let's use Tkinter. Okay, make a window with Tkinter with an entry on top and a text field on the bottom. Let's see if he understands what I'm going to ask him to do. Okay, pretty soon make import. TTK. Why is using TTK? Yes. Okay, let's copy this code. Let's go into Sublime Text, my favorite editor. Let's make a new file. Let's copy this straight ahead and let's save it into a folder. I make always a new folder, and let's call this one Python 2 module. Okay, maybe it's quite understandable. Let's go down here and call it main main.py. Let's see what we get here. Let's run the code, and here we get our, okay, this is all perfect. Now I'm ready. So as you can see, in all the times I would have gone through this and explain you how to write it, but since we got ChatGPT that does this for us just with a simple prompt, why don't we speed up our work? So I just want to explain you, for if you are new to Python, that you import to the module Tkinter and TTK module from Tkinter. With these two lines here, we create an instance of the window. We give it a title. We give it the dimension with the dimension of the window with the geometry. Root the geometry. We then create the entry where we insert the first text, and then a text area. With this one, we pack it and we run the main loop so that the window will stay on, to say so. So it's very, if you want to learn how to code etc. in Python, you can use ChatGPT as your instructor. So you see that he has explained you everything like even better than what I've just done now. And so this is, I see, let me think a little bit on how to continue this thing that this project that I have in mind. And my project could quickly be could be just this, because I already have the code to make my module. Here it is, the JavaScript, and this is always made with help of ChatGPT. But I want to do something like to automate the things. Instead of going here and changing this module here, I just wanna let me copy this thing, and let me go here and let me memorize this this code into a string. Let's say code for, let me call it code app script, code module, and let me say the string contains the script for app script to create a test. Okay, let me put the 3 apostrophes here and 3 here. Let me, okay, now all I want to do is to insert the code into the, let me run it. It should work the same as before. You see, I want to put the title here, to put the question and answer here, and then click a button down here that I want to ask to Python to do it, to let me add this button down here. Put a button under the text field. Oh, okay, yes. Let's do it to him. Okay, now the rest is the same, so I won't just create a button widget. I will copy this. You see, I could do it by myself, but why? If I can speed up things like this, let's run this. There is an error what I've done. Oh, sorry, I forget. This is not JavaScript, but it's Python. Let's run this. Okay, you see it. There is this submit button, and so perfect. Now I just have to think what I want to do, and for this video I will stop here. For the second part, wait, I think I would like to do it today or tomorrow. So thank you, and see you next time in the next video. Hope you liked it. Thanks.